So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to find the IR profile number for a Vizio soundbar, remote codes and learn mode setup. Step 1 is common Vizio soundbar IR codes. 4-digit codes for Vizio soundbar, this one, 5-digit code for Vizio soundbar, this, and alternative backup codes, this. Step 2 is using streaming device menus. Navigate to the settings menu on your streaming device. Select equipment control or display and sound. Go to manage equipment and select your audio system or soundbar. Select infrared options or change IR profile. Choose the find IR profile or similar lookup code option. Follow the on-screen prompt to complete the setup. Third step is using Vizio code search method. Turn on your soundbar, press and hold the setup or device button on the universal remote until the LED flashes twice, then enter the code search command, usually 991. Press the power button on the remote repeatedly until the soundbar turns off. Press setup, enter the save the code. Thanks for watching.